y'all. So we're here. We got the cruiser board built back together, and we're probably about to just go skate back down to the lake like I'm out every fucking day. There's a nice spot out there. I'm just gonna go down there, relax for a bit till later on, and then we might be going up to Salisbury this afternoon with Squirrels and Andrew, and probably ride out there for a little bit. But yeah, so let's get going.
How's the water? How's the water?
You know what I've always learned about the pool holdup? Always wear your socks. Come on. Even if you're walking through the fucking pool, just wear your socks. Why not? I do it every time. Okay, so one's longer.
We got two ropes now.
Alright, so we gotta do both. And there's your flip flop for it.
Oh yeah, we're gonna jump in. That water looks in. Full send, bro.
3, 2, 1. Oh, this is not any fun. That's not very high at all.
Really?
No, it's not.
I just got that all on clip too, bro. Just swung out. Back in.
You ready?
Get it.
I'm about to just do it this time.
Just jump in, full send.
Oh,
How's that water, Andrew?
freezing.
How's it feel?
Oh,
How's that shit feel?
oh, my balls are cold. How's that?
Oh fuck!
That shit's fucking cold, dude.
Oh,
How's that water feel? It's fucking cold.
oh fuck! Oh fuck!
You good?
Oh fuck!
Come on, you got this.
Oh shit, that's cold.
That's cold as balls.
But that's not that bad.
Alright, y'all, so this is gonna be the end of the video. Sorry about not getting the video uploaded on Friday. This is actually the footage from Friday. I just been sick all weekend, wasn't able to do anything yesterday. But hopefully we'll be coming back strong on Wednesday, get the new video out to you guys. But for now, if you guys like what you see, hit the like button, comment down below, hit subscribe. You guys know the deal, and we'll see you guys in the next one.